Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Getting ready to air fry some chicken legs and getting ready to fix some broccoli and corn concoction. So let me show you what I'm doing to this corn and broccoli. I got them in the skillet already. Okay. I put in a can of cream of broccoli soup in it. I put a tablespoon of the Knorr chicken bouillon powder. This is what I use: the frozen broccoli florets and whole kernel corn. And I use this: garlic, onion, black pepper, and sea salt. Okay? So I'm getting ready to, let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Here it is. I'll put some water up in here so it can steam. Half a bottle, so what is this? About 8 ounces of water. Put the lid on and let it steam. Okay, so now let's go over to the chicken. Put this away. Put this up. Okay, so last night I washed these legs and marinated them. I got 5 legs here. They've been marinating overnight. So this is what I used. Of course, I used my yellow mustard. I use this seasoning here and jollof rice seasoning. I got another bottle in there. It's almost gone. And I'm going to bread them with this that chicken hot and spicy chicken breading mix. And I'll be using my breader shaker bowl. I'm going to add a little more breading in here. There's only 5 legs. I don't want to waste this. And I'll be spraying them with some avocado oil. I'm going to spray this fry basket. I'll be using my Ninja Foodie Extra Large Grill. I'm spraying the basket. I don't want nothing to stick. Okay, and I'll be spraying the breaded chicken also. Okay, I'm put the legs up in here. And you can buy the breader bowl on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box. And you can also use just a regular Ziploc bag. Those legs are well seasoned. They smell good. You can just use a bowl, or you can use a bowl with the lid. However you want to bread your chicken. Do it. Okay, that ain't breaded good, so I'm going to shake it some more. Don't pay over $15 for this. When they get a heavy demand, then they raise the prices. Sometimes they go up to $22. But It's ridiculous. Because like I said, you got other options. You just gotta have this bowl. And now they're evenly coated. Shake off the excess breading. Some big old healthy legs, y'all. Get over, get over, get over. Get over. I'm going to spray. You always spray your breaded chicken. You don't have to spray your naked chicken because the skin makes its own oil. Okay, that's good. Sprayed each piece. That's how they look. This would be nice to plug it in, huh? Turn it on. Put on air crisp, 400. I'm gonna set it for 25 minutes because these legs are healthy, big and healthy. It's on preheat. I don't want it to preheat. Press preheat, open it up. It says add food, so the food already in here. So now the timing will start. And I'll be back. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna flip these legs. If there were wings, I wouldn't have to flip them. Look at that. Big, thick, juicy. I don't have to spray this side. Turn around. Okay. So I'll continue cooking these. I'll show you how they look. Yeah. So we got another 11 minutes to cook and then we'll be done. This is my Ninja Foodie extra large grill. And I think it's on its last legs because it's making funny noises. So I'm trying to figure out what other air fryer I want. Okay, I'm going to show y'all my souped up veggies. Okay. That's corn and broccoli concoction. It smells delicious. Okay. Turn the fire off. And I like my broccoli to still have some bite to it. Okay, turned it off. Okay, I'm declaring my chicken done. Okay, it's done, y'all. See? So here's my plate, y'all. Potato salad, my broccoli and corn concoction, and my chicken leg and my chicken dog on the bread. I'm just going to taste a piece of the chicken. I guess I'll taste the souped up vegetables too. Okay, y'all. This is my Sunday dinner. I'm just gonna taste. Okay, I'm gonna taste some of these vegetables. And let you know if that's a good combination or not. Can you cut the water off till I finish, Walter? It's hot. Good combination, y'all. Okay. Oh, this chicken is too hot to pick up. I'm just gonna put, oh, I can't pull the skin off. I'm definitely not gonna pick it up and bite it. Ouch. I'm filming. I just got some of the skin. Crispy, spicy, good. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Bon appetit.